What if every decision humanity makes about climate change was being recorded forever in a box that can never be destroyed? That's not science fiction. That's happening right now in one of the most remote places on Earth. Welcome back to the channel, because today we're diving into one of the strangest, most fascinating projects on the planet. Literally, it's called Earth's Black Box, and it's exactly what it sounds like. Inspired by aircraft black boxes, the ones that survive plane crashes and reveal exactly what went wrong. This massive installation is designed to do the same thing, but for our entire planet's climate crisis. Picture this: a giant, solid steel structure built to survive almost anything, sitting alone in a remote part of Tasmania. No cities nearby, no noise, just silence and constant data collection 24/7. This isn't just a monument. It's a fully functioning, solar-powered recording system. It runs entirely on renewable energy, meaning it never needs to stop, never needs fuel, and never needs human intervention to keep working. So what exactly is it recording? Everything. Satellite data, weather patterns, ocean temperatures, sea level changes, and information directly from research institutions monitoring our planet's health in real time, every single day. But here's where it gets even more interesting. It's not just tracking environmental data, it's tracking us. Government actions, global policies, public statements, and how world leaders respond or fail to respond to the climate crisis. Supporters of the project say this creates something incredibly powerful, an unchangeable, tamper-proof historical record. If humanity succeeds in solving climate change, future generations will see exactly how it happened step by step. And if we don't succeed, that record still exists, a permanent, honest account of what we knew, when we knew it, and what we chose to do or not do about it. That idea alone is what makes this project so emotionally powerful. It's not just data storage, it's accountability, built into solid steel, designed to outlast governments, companies, and even civilizations. Of course, not everyone is convinced this is necessary. Critics argue we already have countless climate databases, scientific archives, and global monitoring systems collecting this exact same information right now. So here's the real question worth thinking about. Is Earth's black box a brilliant warning system for future generations? Or just an expensive symbol with no real impact? Whether you see it as genius or unnecessary, one thing is certain. Earth's black box is now quietly recording history, whether we're ready to face it or not. So tell me in the comments, do you think this project will actually make a difference, or is it simply too late for warnings to matter anymore? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because we're covering more incredible science and technology stories just like this one very soon.